Platanaos al Horno. Baked plantains. A dessert from Guatemala. Serves 4. You will need 4 ingredients. Step 1. Mix sugar and cinnamon together. Peel the plantains and split them open lengthwise but do not cut completely through. Step 2. Sprinkle them inside and out with the sugar mixture. Cut dabs of butter into the slits. Step 3. Coat a baking dish with butter and add the plantains. Bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 30 minutes until soft and brown. Step 4. Serve warm with fresh cream and honey. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.